Hi, my name is Max, and I have 36 days until my exam. This is my second time through because I forgot how to do something, so I'm just going to restart it. So from the top, we have N equals 30 year mortgage. Take that times 12 because we're in monthly, so that's 360 for N. Our interest rate is quoted at 8.4% nominal. Divide that 12 to make this effective, right? And then just make it all, understand what we're figuring out, what we have. I'm going to label H to be the purchase price of the home, the L to be the loan amount, and then at the very beginning it says that Barb put 20% down. So the original purchase price, we can have that times 0.8 because that's the other half of 20%, equals the loan amount. So we can rearrange this to be H is the loan amount over 0.8. And then we can kind of just set up our equation, which is that. So we have loan amount equals the payment times angle 360 for N at the effective rate of 0.007. Okay, now that we have that down, what can we do with the rest of the information that it has given us? It says she notices that 1/3 of the way through, the mortgage will still owe $200,000. So we have an outstanding balance at time, it's a B, at time 120 equals 200,000. Easy enough. And then, so we can kind of do this, looking at it retrospectively or prospectively. I believe you can do both. I don't know about the retrospective because I didn't do it. I did the prospectively. So let's do that. If you did the retrospective, good for you, because I don't know how to do that yet. I do, it's hard. So we have 200,000 equals a payment of, this is 1/3 of the way through. So we have 1/3 of 360, 1/3 times 360, which is 240. No, that's 120. That's how I figure out that is, right? I'll say amounts at 120. And I guess the rest of the loan payment is 240. So we have A angle 240 at the 0.7% interest rate. With this information, we can easily figure out the payment using our TVM, my favorite calculator. It's actually a pretty cool calculator. So we have 240 for N. We have I over Y as 0.7. We have the present value of negative 200,000. Now we need to compute the payment, which should give us $1,723.01. Took me seconds. I had 0.05 in my notes. I don't know why it's 4 cents off, but we're gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, cool. Now that we know that the is equals the payment, we can put this right there into that payment. And we have a lot of information in our calculator already, so we can change the N to 360, right? Keep the same interest. We have the payment now. And then compute present value, which gives us a negative 226,164.85. Yes, so let me write this down here for you. So after computing that, we have a negative 226,164.85. Take the positive value of that and plug that back into our equation right here, right there. Let me do this on the calculator real quick. So we have 226,164.85 divided by 0.8. That should give us a final answer of the purchase price of $282,706.06. And that is our final answer. Let me double check. Yes, I didn't do the cents, but where I went wrong in this problem is I didn't, understand the 240 in here originally. I was doing it too fast and kind of gave up. So make sure you know what the question's asking you and what years you are doing your equation off of. Awesome, and I will see you guys in the next video.